In this video, I am going to talk about the certification spots in the AWS. With the last video, I have covered about CCSP and the CCSK certification overviews. But in this video, we are going to cover a little bit of information about AWS certification part, especially if you are from a background of non-cloud background and you want to enter into the jobs that demand uh, AWS specific certification. So this is a good place for you to start with. And once you obtain the certification, and you can apply for the job related to cloud. So to start with, I just navigated to aws.amazon.com website and click on learn and then click on AWS certification, and you will end up in this page that shows the certification course and the different certifications available in this um, different certification offered by AWS. Okay, so the first baseline certification for someone who is very new to the cloud and who wants to learn the cloud and get some kind of knowledge on it. So the cloud practitioner is the best way to go. So, so what I would say, you can start with the cloud practitioner if you are very new to the cloud, or you have some little bit of experience, say some 6 months or 3 months or some kind of learning experience that really helps. So this certification basically deals with all the services offered by the AWS, including uh, what I would say, including the pricing, including the support and different instances, pricing, the security services, uh, the database services, IAM policies, and the monitoring, billing, and everything, almost everything. But this certification covers only the basic of all those areas. It doesn't give you depth information in all those areas. So this certification is just a touch point on each and every services and the billing information and the pricing, etc. Yeah, you can go for it if you are very new and want to start with learning the cloud. Yeah, this is the foundational certification, and the second one is basically the associate level certification. Uh, the associate certificate has solutions architect, the developer, and the sysops administration. So in this area, this is basically requires some sort of experience, like a 1 year, is a recommended for this. Yeah. So these solution architects and developer and systems administrator basically covers different areas and different services and different operations in their job. So based on your interest and your domain, your work specialty, you can choose whichever best fits for you, and you can go with it. And the professional one requires a little more of experience, basically the solution architect or DevOps engineer. uh, I would say the solution architect is little bit what to say, it's a deeper version of the associate certification, or it can cover a little bit more which are not present in this one, the associate one. And DevOps engineer is basically about the services, the DevOps services. I would say I am a security engineer. I know yeah, a few number of DevOps services, as I am aware. Basically, what I would say, AWS code build, code pipeline, code commit, infrastructure as code. So these kind of services are maybe covered in these areas. See, I wouldn't say I'm a DevOps expert, but I would say this is something to do with dealing with the pipelines and stuff. Okay. Oh, the specialty certification. So these certifications are basically the advanced level and need some little bit of expertise in these areas. So as you can see, the name of the certification, this basically indicates what it is specialty specialized about. So if you are from a different background, you can choose any of the certification based on your interest or based on your job specialty. If I am a security engineer and I have some basic ideas about, the basic understanding of AWS, and I have done some kind of certifications, like professional associate level certifications. Then I would definitely put the security specialty certifications. So it basically deals with different security services offered by AWS, which is most required for the security compliance, security monitoring, incident response or forensics, vulnerability scanning and management, firewalls, alerts and reports. Everything basically covers end to end. Even if there is a misconfigured IAM policies and all those stuff, yeah. It's a specialty certification. I would say this is a little bit deep and a little bit more effort on your side to complete this certification. So these are my point of view. I wouldn't say which is right or which is wrong. It is up to you to choose which certification you want to do, and moreover, it's your choice to take the certifications. Okay, because if there is someone who has some amount of experience and if you don't want the certifications because you have some experience, that is perfectly fine. I know a lot of people who doesn't have the certifications still land up in a high paying jobs because they have the experience, skills, and the knowledge. Okay. And even though I am not against the certification, even during the learning process of certification, you will learn a lot of things, you will acquire a lot of skills, and you will acquire a lot of knowledge. So it's up to your choice. Yeah. So I think this is the end of this video. In the next videos, I will cover a little bit deep about cloud practitioner certification, and also I would like to cover different certification vendors like Microsoft Azure. So for now, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. Thank you very much.